I can do the same method with an inside circle. When I get to that point, I can switch over. And I can run my finger on this side. And I'm steering it with the back end. When I get too close, I can get out of the way. You get a fairly smooth curve. Many people are taught to do this type of method, a series of cuts coming into it. Problem is, if you become below your line, it's going to make it a little bit smaller, and it's a lot easier to sand out something that's uniform. What happens is you're going to have to sand down to the bottom of these ones that are too far. So when I cut, if I use the same method as I've been using, I should be able to cut that smooth, but you'll see how you'll have these ones that are extended down. Make sure the pieces that you're working on aren't too small, because you can always get them caught in here and this could bring your fingers in. So you want to stay far away when you're actually working the sander. What I'm going to do is I'm going to smooth up this curve, and you're going to see as I come down here, that's going to take a lot more sanding because I went too deep on these cuts. Now I have two notches in now. Now I have to sand down to the notches, which might throw off my curve. Just a little bit more sanding.